Hey, what's happening everybody? Today we are assembling the Go Rhino SRM400 rack basket. The SRM400 is super convenient as it does mount to existing crossbars or an aftermarket roof rack or truck rack. It comes with everything you need to assemble it: the 1/4 inch button head screws, washers, and even a 5/32 Allen wrench. First step is to unbox all your parts and lay them on a protective surface as to protect the finish on the rack itself. We can go ahead and lay out all the pieces to prepare for assembly. The first step in the SRM400 is to slide the crossbars into the side rails themselves. No hardware actually holds them in, that's the job of another part. So these simply just slide into the grooves. And once we have all of our crossbars in, we can go ahead and put the front and rear bases onto our side rails. There is a front and rear difference here, so the easiest way to tell them apart is to look at the angle that the side rails are on. It's absolutely going to match up, and your bolt holes will line up as well. Simply slide the front and rear bars around your existing crossbar and then line it up with the holes on the side rails. The parts will shift around as you insert the rest of your pieces, so just something to keep an eye on as you're doing there. And now we can add the rear cover for our rack basket. This simply all just sets together until we start installing our hardware. Now we can start to install the hardware by hand. You want to start the screws out by hand first to help reduce any chance of cross-threading. And as you're assembling, we do leave all of our hardware loose throughout the entire assembly until we have all of the hardware in, just so if we need to shift the rack around to help line up any existing bolt holes, can help us get that accomplished. Now that we have most of the rack loosely together, we can install our front cover on the SRM400. Same thing here, hand tighten all hardware, and one thing to point out, depending on which rack, flat carrier, or basket you purchased, bolt holes may be in a different location, so just something to keep in mind as you're assembling your rack together. And from here we slowly work our way around the rack to tighten all hardware, and once everything has been started, we can final tighten using our 5/32 Allen wrench. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Like, follow, subscribe, RHRSwag, and RHRSwag.com for the best truck accessories. Thank you.